Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get 2 snowblowers ready for winter. Normally I would add seafoam and then put it away, but government mandated ethanol in all fuels now, so I cannot go out anywhere and buy non-ethanol fuel. I don't like draining my carburetors down because I find it gives me more problems. They dry out and eventually they start leaking or create a powder and I have to take them apart. I always kept them wet, but I always use non-ethanol with seafoam. Can't do that anymore. Another good product, I'll put all the links in the description. But another good product is STA-BIL360. That's also good for ethanol fuel, and it keeps the air has moisture in it from mixing with the fuel. So the ethanol doesn't pull the moisture out, but you may end up doing it and not get snow even the start of the winter, middle of the winter. Sometimes I've seen no snow all winter and it has to sit for the following year. Well, this is not going to last 1 year. It lasts maybe 6 months. So the only other way on a snowblower, and I don't like using it because it's expensive. So we're going to wash these because I got to wash the salt off them. And then after that, we're going to drain the fuel and we're going to put TruFuel, way overpriced for what it is. But this would last 2 years. So anyway, we're going to drain the fuel, put this in, start them up, fill the carburetors with it, fuel tank, and run this because government mandated 10% ethanol in all fuels now. Using your snowblower and the snow lag when a plow goes by, that is all mixed in with salt because if a truck goes by, put salt on the road, or even in your vehicle, you're driving on the road, salt drips off it, and then you got snow, and then you put you put salt throughout every seam on the snowblower. You can see if you haven't done it where they start in the seams where they all start rusting. Even this one here, it hasn't been done, but you have to take the salt off. Okay, so they're both washed. The reason why I didn't drain the fuel first and put the TruFuel in is one, I'm pressure washing just in case any water got into the fuel tank because I'm going to be draining it. I just want to make sure as it's put away in storage, I got no moisture in the tank. So anyway, we're going to let these dry. They're hot right now because I let them run for a bit to dry the engines off. So I'm going to let them cool down, dry off a bit, and then we're going to drain the fuel and we'll be back. I'll take as much as I can out this way and the rest I'll drain from the bottom of the carburetor. There's not much in this one. As much as I'm going to get out of there. Okay, the rest I'm going to take out from the carburetor. So I'm going to go dump this in my lawn tractor and I'll be back. So this one here, in order to finish draining the tank, I can't get the bowl off, so I'm going to have to put enough in here to run this long enough to burn it through the carburetor. But I'm going to take the line off, so I couldn't drain the entire tank. So we're going to take it off this way. Huh? Yeah, when they don't put a drain on them. What's that? Fuel line's back on. Those washers are in there. We're good. And I'm just gonna, because I couldn't drain the bowl, I'm gonna start this one and run it until it dries before I throw the dry fuel in, and then I'll run it for a bit. Okay, I'm just gonna start this to drain the bowl, and then I'm gonna put the TruFuel in. We're going to put half in this one, half in that one. It probably wouldn't hurt to put the whole gallon in before you put it away, but around here, these are $30 a gallon, which is quite expensive. Anyway, so I'm just gonna run these for a while, make sure the TruFuel's through the system, and then we're gonna call it good. So anyway, if you like the video, appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now. If you're worried about exhaust, the big door's open and the air exchanger is going in this garage.